So in this bowl, what I have here, a tablespoon of baking soda, which I already put in, but it's still too loose, so I'm going to put a little bit more baking soda. And then I also put a tablespoon of rose water, and I just finished using this one, so I put 1 tablespoon rose water. And this is a mixture I made to remove the dark knuckles. So I already washed off the mixture, you know, that I made out of turmeric, baking soda, and some lemon. So now this is the second stage. So using the second stage, what I'm going to do is to put this on my knuckles and let them rest for a while before I wash it, and this will be the second step. Okay. Another thing people can use in getting rid of dark knuckles, you can use coconut milk, you can use yogurt mixed with some baking soda along with, you know, some other products. So when I get to that, you know, maybe next time I will use those so you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to put these things on my knuckles and let it rest for a while before I wash it. I already washed the first set, which was made out of turmeric and some other ingredients. So you can watch my first video and see. It's going to be joined with this anyway, so combined together. So this is like a continuation of the first stage. So I'm just going to leave this on for a minute, for about 10 minutes before I wash it off. And that will be the conclusion. And then after washing it off, I just put some moisturizer on my hand. And this is one thing that you have to actually repeat at least 2 to 3 days a week in order for you to be able to get some very profound results. So I'm somebody who is very dark, so my knuckles are always very, very dark too. So like I said, this is the second stage of getting rid of the dark knuckles, and that's what I have left. This is my second stage. So the first time I did the mixture with turmeric, I used my brush, but this time around I'm just using my finger to rub it in, because what's the best thing to use than to use your own hand to actually do the rubbing. So that's what I'm doing right now. This time around I did not use lemon. This is all baking soda and rose water only. That's all I'm using right now. So I'm going to use everything. And you also want to rub it on your hand, on your palm, you know, to soften your palm. But I don't have that issue, so my palms are very soft. My hands are very soft, so I'm just going to leave that one alone for now. So I use up all my leftover, put them on my knuckles. I'm going to let them rest for a while, and then from then on I'll wash it. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also share the video with others. At this age, we are all needing to actually do things that will enhance our beauty. I'm over 50 years old. I don't have any wrinkles at the back of my hand. That's because I do these type of things, and I use them on my face as well. So I'm just saying, go ahead, use them liberally, and you will see results. You will definitely see results. Thank you. Subscribe, share the video, subscribe to my channel, and like it. Thank you.